Psychoanalytic theory, developed by Sigmund Freud, it focuses on the unconscious mind and its influence on behavior. Freud believed that early childhood experiences shape personality and behavior, and he introduced concepts like the ID, ego, and superego. Behaviorism theory, founded by John B. Watson and later expanded by B.F. Skinner, behaviorism emphasizes observable behaviors and the role of conditioning in shaping behavior. It suggests that behavior is learned through environmental stimuli, such as rewards and punishments. Cognitive theory. This theory, championed by Jean Piaget and others, focuses on mental processes like thinking, memory, and problem-solving. It suggests that our thoughts and perceptions influence our behavior and emotions. Humanistic psychology theory. Humanistic psychology, spearheaded by Carl Rogers and Abraham Maslow, emphasizes individual potential, self-actualization, and personal growth. It emphasizes the importance of subjective experiences and personal choices in shaping behavior. Biopsychosocial model theory. This integrative approach considers biological, psychological, and social factors in understanding human behavior and mental health. It recognizes that biological processes, psychological factors, and social influences all interact to shape behavior and well-being. Evolutionary psychology theory. Drawing from principles of natural selection, evolutionary psychology explores how human behavior and cognition have evolved to solve adaptive problems. It suggests that many behaviors have evolved because they conferred reproductive advantages to our ancestors. Social learning theory. Proposed by Albert Bandura, social learning theory highlights the importance of observational learning, imitation, and modeling in shaping behavior. It suggests that people learn not only through direct experience, but also by observing others. Attachment theory. Developed by John Bowlby and Mary Ainsworth, attachment theory focuses on the bonds formed between infants and caregivers. It suggests that early attachment experiences influence later social and emotional development. Trait theory. Trait theory seeks to understand personality by identifying and measuring consistent patterns of behavior, thoughts, and emotions. It categorizes individuals based on traits like extroversion, neuroticism, and openness to experience. Gestalt psychology theory. Gestalt psychology emphasizes the holistic nature of perception and cognition, arguing that the whole is greater than the sum of its parts. It explores how humans perceive patterns, forms, and organize sensory information. Cognitive behavioral theory. Combining elements of cognitive and behavioral psychology, cognitive behavioral theory focuses on how thoughts, feelings, and behaviors interact. It suggests that changing maladaptive thought patterns can lead to changes in behavior and emotions. Transactional analysis theory. Transactional analysis, developed by Eric Berne, examines social transactions to determine the ego state of individuals involved. It categorizes interactions into parent, adult, and child states, shedding light on communication patterns and interpersonal dynamics. Ecological systems theory. Proposed by Yuri Bronfenbrenner, ecological systems theory explores how individuals are influenced by multiple nested environmental systems, including microsystems, like family and school, mesosystems, exosystems, macrosystems, and the chronosystem. Structuralism theory. Structuralism, pioneered by Wilhelm Wundt, focuses on identifying the basic elements of consciousness through introspection. It aims to break down mental processes into their fundamental components to understand the structure of the mind. Functionalism theory. Functionalism, advocated by William James, emphasizes the adaptive functions of behavior and mental processes. It seeks to understand why certain behaviors and mental states have evolved to serve specific purposes in facilitating survival and reproduction. Psychodynamic theory, derived from Freudian psychoanalysis. Psychodynamic theory explores the unconscious mind, childhood experiences, and conflicts to understand behavior and personality. It delves into the role of unconscious drives and defense mechanisms in shaping behavior. Positive psychology theory. Positive psychology, spearheaded by Martin Seligman, focuses on understanding and promoting human flourishing, well-being, and strengths. It emphasizes positive emotions, character strengths, and meaningful experiences in enhancing life satisfaction. Information processing theory. Information processing theory likens the human mind to a computer, examining how information is perceived, processed, stored, and retrieved. It explores cognitive processes like attention, perception, memory, and problem-solving. Social identity theory. Developed by Henri Tajfel and John Turner, social identity theory explores how individuals define themselves based on group memberships and social categorizations. It investigates how group identities influence behavior and intergroup relations. Mind theory. Mind theory encompasses various perspectives on the nature of consciousness, subjective experience, and the mind-body relationship. It explores questions about the nature of consciousness, the self, and the relationship between mental processes and the brain. Motivation hygiene theory, proposed by Frederick Hertzberg. This theory suggests that there are separate factors that influence job satisfaction, motivators, and dissatisfaction, hygiene factors, in the workplace. It emphasizes the importance of intrinsic motivators such as achievement and recognition. Schema theory. Schema theory proposes that individuals organize knowledge and experiences into mental frameworks called schemas. These schemas influence perception, memory, and information processing, shaping how individuals interpret and respond to the world around them. Self-determination theory. Self-determination theory, developed by Edward Deci and Richard Ryan, explores the factors that contribute to intrinsic motivation and psychological well-being. It emphasizes the importance of autonomy, competence, and relatedness in promoting self-motivation and optimal functioning. Social cognitive theory. Social cognitive theory, proposed by Albert Bandura, emphasizes the reciprocal interaction between cognitive processes, behavior, and the environment. It highlights the role of observational learning, self-efficacy, and social modeling in shaping behavior. Planned behavior theory. Planned behavior theory, developed by Ayçek Adzen, posits that behavior is determined by intention, which is influenced by attitudes, subjective norms, and perceived behavioral control. It suggests that individuals are more likely to engage in a behavior if they intend to do so and perceive it as within their control. Cultural historical psychology. Theory. Cultural historical psychology, associated with Lev Vygotsky, explores the role of culture and social interaction in shaping cognitive development. It emphasizes the importance of social and cultural contexts in understanding human cognition and behavior. Dual process theory. Dual process theory proposes that human cognition involves two distinct processing systems, one automatic and intuitive, and the other controlled and deliberate. It suggests that these systems interact and influence decision-making, problem-solving, and judgment. Multiple intelligences theory. Multiple intelligences theory, introduced by Howard Gardner, challenges the traditional view of intelligence by proposing that individuals possess different types of intelligence, including linguistic, logical mathematical, spatial, musical, bodily kinesthetic, interpersonal, intrapersonal, and naturalistic intelligence. Object relations theory. Object relations theory, derived from psychoanalytic thought, examines how early relationships with caregivers shape an individual's perceptions of themselves and others. It focuses on internalized mental representations, objects, and their influence on interpersonal dynamics. Cognitive dissonance theory. Cognitive dissonance theory, proposed by Leon Festinger, explores the discomfort individuals feel when they hold conflicting beliefs or attitudes. It suggests that people are motivated to reduce this cognitive dissonance by changing their beliefs or behaviors to align with each other. Terror management theory. Terror management theory, developed by Sheldon Solomon, Jeff Greenberg, and Tom Pyszczynski, explores how awareness of mortality influences human behavior and psychological functioning. It suggests that people cope with the fear of death by adhering to cultural worldviews and seeking self-esteem. Interpersonal theory. Interpersonal theory, associated with Harry Stack Sullivan, examines the role of interpersonal relationships in shaping personality and mental health. It emphasizes the importance of social interactions, intimacy, and interpersonal needs in psychological well-being. Social comparison theory. Social comparison theory, proposed by Leon Festinger, suggests that individuals evaluate their abilities and opinions by comparing themselves to others. It explores how social comparisons influence self-concept, self-esteem, and behavior. Erikson's psychosocial stages theory. Erikson's psychosocial stages theory outlines 8 stages of psychosocial development, each associated with a unique developmental task or crisis. It emphasizes the importance of resolving these crises in order to achieve healthy psychosocial development across the lifespan. Parallel distributed processing model theory. The parallel distributed processing model, also known as connectionism, proposes that cognitive processes emerge from the interaction of numerous interconnected processing units operating simultaneously. It suggests that knowledge is distributed across a network of nodes, with information processing occurring in parallel rather than sequentially. Thanks for joining us on this rapid exploration of psychological theories. Remember to stay curious and keep exploring the complexities of the human mind. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you next time.